Today we discuss how to write a C program to check whether the given number n is a prime number. A prime number, as all of us know, is an integer which is divisible by unity and the number itself. For example, 13 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and 13 only. A solution for this. A for loop can be used to find the divisor of the given number between 2 and n by 2. For example, when n is equal to 23, it has divisors up to 11, 2 to 11, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have to check whether divisions exist for this number. So an identification variable flag is used to identify any divisors for the given number other than 1. It is assumed that the flag value is set to equal to 0 initially. When a divisor is identified, it will be changed to flag is equal to 1. So based on the value of flag, the loop will be terminated and the prime number is going to be identified. Now look at the program. Program to check prime number include the header files as usual. The main program starts here. Integer variables are declared. N, the given number which we need to check whether it's prime number or not. N, k is the divisor, flag value which is initialized to 0 while declaring it as variable, and r, the remainder abbreviated as r. Clear the screen. Printf, enter a positive integer. It appears on the screen, this statement. It's a user friendly program written, and the input is taken from the user. Scanf %n, the value of n is going to be taken from the user through the keyboard. Here comes the for statement. For k is equal to 2, k value is initialized here, k value equal to 2. Here is the condition. K smaller than or equal to n by 2 and logical and flag value set equal to 0. K as long as smaller than or equal to n by 2 ANDed with flag value is equal to 0. If both are true, this condition, this block of statements is going to be executed. K is going to be incremented in every iteration, and the block of statements to be executed, each r is equal to n modulus k. So it's going to find whether the division of the given number with the divisor value, that is k, is going to yield with a remainder or not. If remainder is not there, if remainder is equal to 0, flag is set equal to 1. If the remainder value is equal to 0 means, if the remainder value is equal to 0 means it is divided, it is divisible, then the flag value is set equal to 1. So for example, 22 divided by 2 results in remainder value is equal to 0. Then the flag value is set equal to 1. So if flag value is equal to 0 after all the iterations are over, it comes out of the loop, and if flag value is equal to 0, we have to see on the screen n, new line, that is %d. The given number n is a prime number. N is a prime number. Else, if flag value is not equal to 0, then print n is not a prime number. Get ch. There it ends the program. So this is the program written. So the concept can be explained in a few sentences. When this program is executed, the user has to enter a positive integer. The for loop generates divisors between 2 and n by 2, and the remainder r is obtained by dividing the number by k. If remainder r is equal to 0, then the number is divisible by k, and the value of the identification variable flag is changed to 1. For example, 22, n is equal to 22, and if it is divided by 2, it results in the value of r is equal to 0. It means that the given number is divisible by 2 or k, then the flag is changed to 1. Note that the loop is terminated and the prime number is identified using the variable flag. The sample output of this program is given below. Enter a positive integer. For example, if we enter 17, 17 is a prime number, it is going to be identified. So like this we can solve the program, and we can write the program to find whether the given number is a prime number or not. Let us check this program on a C compiler, Turbo C. Program is already entered here. Program to check prime number, include header files. Main program starts here. Integer variables declared n, k, flag value set equal to 0 and the remainder r. Clear the screen. Printf, enter a positive integer. It appears on the screen, and scanf %t ampersand n input for the value of n is going to be taken through the keyboard. For k is equal to k smaller than or equal to n by 2, logical and with flag is equal to 0. If flag is equal to 0, k smaller than or equal to n by 2, this block of statements to be executed. If this is true, this block of statements to be executed. In every iteration, k value is going to be incremented. Or remainder r is equal to n modulus k. If r is equal to 0, flag is set equal to 1. If flag is equal to 0, after the program completes all the iterations, if a flag is equal to 0, printf %t is a prime number. If flag is equal to 0, printf %t n is a prime number. Else printf n is not a prime number. And get ch, it is, this statement is used to get the results displayed immediately after we run the program. So let us run the program and check. Enter a positive integer. For example, I am going to enter 22. Is it a prime number? Obviously it is not a prime number because it is divisible by 2. Let us check. 22 is not a prime number. Yes. So again we will check for some known prime number. Let us check for 23. 23 is a prime number. Let us check once again for 10. 10 is not a prime number. Let us check for 17. 17 is a prime number. This is how we write a C program to check whether the given number is a prime number or not a prime number. Thank you for joining this session of writing a program, C program, to check whether the given number is a prime number or not. Thank you.